In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the VR game BONELAB on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can be really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is basically going to Google, and then we need to locate the game on Steam. For the next steps, then we can go to another site to download it. So go to Steam, and once you are there, you are searching for the game BONELAB, and as you can see, it is quite expensive. It is €39.99. So what we can do next is basically go to the link in the description of this video, click on it, and you will be redirected to this website. And there we will search again for the game BONELAB. Now what we will do, select games on the left side. Once you have done that, sort by lowest price first. And as you can see, this text is marked green. That means it can be activated in your country. So what you can do is go to this page, click on it, and after that you make the purchase much cheaper than on Steam, because here it is €14.34 and on Steam it is €39.99. So basically you already got it for more than half of the price. So that is really good. And once you made the purchase, you will receive a confirmation mail with steps to follow to download this game and activate it on Steam. And basically that is how you download this game and save yourself a lot of money while downloading it. I hope these tips will help you find great games without overspending and keep your PC safe. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more tips. Happy gaming and see you next time!